everyone, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can catch this Cupid Octopus in Fish It Roblox Valentine's updates. So this is one of the special fish that only can be spawned in the Valentine's event. And I'm going to show you the exact secret locations and the best bait to hook this one. So the Cupid Octopus is a special fish, this one, and it can only be caught when the Valentine's event weather is on. And here for the location, I fish in this pools right here. So when the event is on, the water will turn pink like this, and you can just use your best rod and bait combo. For me, I'm using the almond rod with the singularity bait. If needed, you can also use the Valentine's totem or the heart charms to get more chance on getting the special fish. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks.